Eddie Dacey. And counsel, I'm still waiting. If you want to call that attorney and find out where he is, I'll take your matter up.
Already hearing things. Contact here.
No,
We'll use our outside voices, Judge.
thank you. So where are we on discovery?
I believe we have almost all the discovery that we can expect. The one thing I don't believe I have are the medical records, but
All right, who's the prosecutor on this?
I'm sorry.
Dacey. Where are you?
Oh,
No, he also has a family violence case as well.
I'm not sure who you've been confirmed with.
mostly family violence.
Okay. All right. Well,
And not even today.
yeah, I know. I was like,
All right,
Judge,
I apologize.
I had set a hearing on Monday.
Mhm.
I'd spoken with the doctor. The hearing that I'd set was to make a determination on whether Mr. Dacey needed to have his GPS. He has.
All right, have
he
you
was having-
stayed on this?
Yes, but I've also talked to the doctor and the doctor said that the issue resolved itself, so I dropped that setting. I'll let your clerk know. And
Okay.
we're still here today. Yesterday, I did file a motion to withdraw because I'm trying to retire at the end of this.
Okay,
So, you know, as far as discovery goes, I think I've got everything I need. The other attorney, if you were allow me to withdraw, would have everything they need.
And Your Honor, just so the record is clear, he does have an indicted CTD case that came out of our family violence case. Our family violence case is unindicted.
Mhm.
I don't expect it to be indicted for some time. We are waiting on labs.
all right. Sir, just have a seat. Just have a seat.
So I guess what I'll do is I'll talk to CTD and see if we can work something out.
All right, thank you. All right, Eric Simmons. Hello.
How you doing?
Oh, I'm doing okay. Counsel, you're on the other side. All right, today is final plea deadline date. Jury trial, or you all have reached an agreement?
Jury trial.
All right, how long do you expect this trial to last?
No more than 2 days.
3 days.
All right, Ms. Ferguson, I need a jury trial date, criminal trial, I'm sorry, family violence, 3 days.
I believe I'm in 3 days. March 24th.
All right, once you sign the reset form for March 24th, you'll be excused, and I'll need an acknowledgement of discovery done.
Okay, Judge.
All right, just have a seat.
Thank you, Judge.
Thank you. And Norma, I'm sorry, you said March 24th?
Yes, ma'am.
Antavius Cifuentes.
Present, Your Honor. Morning, Judge.
Good morning. Hello, why were you late?
I was late. I think, Judge, he stated that his name was not called initially, and then you brought it to the court's attention, and they went ahead and marked you down.
No, I called his name.
Oh, you didn't hear it then?
I said, Octavius Cifuentes, and you said we'll work on it.
Oh, she was talking, you were talking to the guy behind him, Judge.
Ah,
I think that's.
okay. So where are we on this case?
Yes, Judge, I was appointed on this last week. I did peruse the discovery, and there is an IDR as well as a body cam that I cannot access at this time. So I did bring that to the attention of Mrs. Espinosa. So we're gonna work on getting that together. I did forget my portable drive. I apologize, so I could not get it today. But I'll get that soon. I'm sure Mrs. Espinosa, I think, can even put it on a disc for
Yeah.
me, and then I can get that and to review before a potential next setting, Judge.
All right. And how old are you?
19.
19. All right. Make sure you stay in contact with your attorney. You understand?
Yes.
All right, Ms. Ferguson.
Yeah.
I need a reset for discovery 30 days.
20th.
That'll be fine, Your Honor.
All right, so we'll be back on January 20th.
Yes, ma'am.
Are you
Thank
in school? What are you doing?
For work,
Are you work?
I trade stocks.
I'm sorry, what?
Trade stocks.
Trade stocks? I hope that is being very lucrative for you.
It is.
Did you catch that? 19 years old, criminal court, trading stocks for a living. This is where courtroom reality hits hard. Age doesn't protect you here. The judge's tone shifts just slightly, firm but human. She's reminding him, stay in contact with your lawyer because one missed reset or one ignored deadline can snowball fast. Youth can be an advantage or a liability.
Okay, all right. Good luck to you. Once you sign the reset form, you're excused.
Thank you.
All right, you're welcome.
Good day, ma'am.
You too.
I'll get the reason.
All right, Henry Salazar. All right, so this is set for contested.
Judge, it is set for a contested, so the defendant was indicted on a new charge that the state was intending to prove up. There are a couple of body worn cameras that were too big for defense counsel to pull.
Mhm.
So she was gonna get us a drive, so that we can provide that to her. The other thing is that the defendant was recently, he did submit for urinalysis, and after conferring with probation, that has not been processed yet, and I would like to know the results of that, just to maybe we can come to an agreement, or maybe not. So I'm requesting if we could get a contested at a later date after we're able to provide the videos and then get the results of the urinalysis.
All right, Ms. Ferguson,
Yes, ma'am.
on this case, if you're, how much time? 30 days?
That should be sufficient.
All right, if you'll set this for a contested hearing in 30 days,
Yes, ma'am. I can do, January 22nd.
That should work. Let
all
me,
right, once you sign the reset form, you'll be excused. Thank you for dressing appropriately for court.
thank you.
Just have a seat. Your attorney will bring the reset form to you. Once you sign it, you'll be excused.
Thank you.
All right, thank you. All right, so,
Matt Roach.
yes.
Okay, so I spoke to Mr. Dace. I looked him in the back because he's not well. He's hitting his breather machine, and so I don't want him to come in and have an episode.
Yes.
But we've spoke. I've introduced myself. I've got his information. I'll reach out to the state. I guess they're waiting, like you said, some labs and some ballistic reports or something.
Yes. All right, so Ms. Ferguson, on Daisy,
Yes, ma'am.
Mr. Bonk is going to be his new attorney.
Okay.
And then if you can give 45 days for discovery.
Do you still have the motions he filed on you?
You want?
No, if she still has them, I'm gonna ask her if she, could we,
3 seconds.
that's fine.
Okay.
Could you use the motion he filed and deny his motion, but grant the waiving of the fees? So we don't have to refile something else?
Yes.
Okay.
And Judge, if it helps, I did talk with Ashley Jones.
Mhm.
And the state is not opposed to waiving his fees on James.
Oh, I always do that if it's clear that a person can't afford it.
Okay, thank you, Judge.
Fair enough.
All right, so this is the new attorney. Discovery is going to be set for February 2nd.
Okay,
And that's on your case as well, whether it's indicted or not. Okay.
okay, Judge,
All
thank
right,
you.
thank you.
Thank you. Okay.
Jonathan Dreamer.
So, Judge, apparently I've been informed, Mr. Dreamer, I guess they're looking for him.
No, I mean, he's in jail.
Yeah, apparently he's not here.
Oh, no, the bus broke down.
Oh, Bear County, that never happens.
And so that's why he's not here yet.
Okay,
But if you talk to the deputies, they'll give you an ETA.
I
just went down there. They haven't seen.
All right.
so just for,
Mhm.
to catch the court up, PIC is handling the ag kidnapping and the multitude of new charges. And I got a big, bunch of discovery.
Mhm.
I brought my hard drive over, but the one thing we are missing is there's an indication in the statement from the complainant that she had signed a written agreement designating the scope of their adventure together. And so obviously that's going to be necessary at trial for cross-examination to determine what the scope of that playtime activity would be.
So do you have the contract that they signed to enter into their contract?
Sarah
with
was
each other?
looking for it. The regular prosecutor.
Today, Judge, but
Yeah.
I can write everything down that we need to get on it, and then.
Yeah, I talked to her as soon as I looked at the discovery and I saw the indication that the lady said, yeah, I may have signed a written agreement. Sarah was going to look for it because it's not contained in the discovery. And I don't know if the detective was overly thorough, because you'd figure if you, particularly on this case, that's going to be the key to whether or not there was actually a crime or just breach of contract.
All right, so you'll need to make sure, I'm gonna recall this in 20 days. And you'll need to make sure that any contract that was entered into between the two parties. Search for it, and then the defense will need that.
Yeah, it's my understanding that I think it was produced on this website that's indicated in the report.
All right, Ms. Ferguson.
Yes, ma'am.
All right, on this case, he has two cases. I'm going to need this recalled in 20 days, and at that time, if there's a contract that's in existence between the parties, state you'll need to be turning that over, and you may need to go to that site to pull the contract.
Because I'm not going.
Okay, so,
January 8th.
all right, so we're gonna
That should
recall it
work.
January 8th for discovery. And that's to turn over the contract to defense.
Okay.
And honestly, with regards to that site, I just have to imagine that everybody is not privy to those contracts, so people may need to release certain codes for somebody to obtain the contract.
Yeah, so that's gonna be the issue, whether or not the detective asked the lady for, it, or they got a subpoena.
Or maybe your client has the code.
Yeah.
The subpoena might get it done, but no. See.
Okay.
This is one of the most legally fascinating moments in the entire hearing. The defense is hunting for a written agreement because if consent existed, this may not be a crime at all. This isn't about morality, it's about elements of the offense, crime or contract dispute. The judge knows this could decide everything. That's why she orders a recall in 20 days. This case just got very real.
It'll be a doozy. All right, thank you, Judge.
Okay, thank you. And if I could have the parties on Adalia Solomon Sobs. All right, the court is calling 2025 CR 013374, State versus Adalia Sobs. Could I have parties announced for the record?
David Rodriguez for the defendant.
And are you Ms. Sobs?
Yes, sir. Yeah,
No problem. And I'm sorry, what page is Sobs on?
on page 14,
Thank you.
fourth one down.
All right, counsel, have you received all discovery? Did you review it with your client?
I did.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Ms. Sobs, did you review the document entitled Application for Community Supervision with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you review the true bill of indictment with your attorney?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
Yes, Your Honor.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
Yes, Your Honor.
Ms. Sobs, did you review the document entitled Court Admonishments with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, ma'am.
You're charged with theft of property less than $2,500 with 2 or more previous convictions. That's a state jail felony. Range of punishment is anywhere from 180 days up to 2 years in the state jail facility and up to a $10,000 fine. If you have a plea with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. If for any reason the court does not follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
You have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses. The state would call in the right to remain silent. By entering this plea, you're giving up those rights. Did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea in this case?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
Yes, she has.
Do you believe she has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against her?
I do, Your Honor.
Do you believe she's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
I believe so.
Ms. Sobs, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter the plea?
No, ma'am.
Anyone promised you anything other than the plea?
No, ma'am.
Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Yes, ma'am.
If you're not a U.S. citizen, you will be deported, denied naturalization, and re-entry. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived her right to jury trial. Did you review the plea bargain page with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
According to the plea, punishment is to be assessed at a cap of 12 months in the state jail facility. There's a $1,500 fine, and the state is opposed to your application. Did you understand that to be the plea?
What?
All right, according to your plea bargain agreement, the state is asking that you be sentenced no more than 12 years in the state jail facility. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
They are asking that your fine be $1,500. Do you understand?
Yes,
They don't want you to have probation. Do you understand?
I have to say so.
Now, here's the thing. Now is not the time to say anything. Now's the time to just answer the questions that I'm asking of you. Do you understand that the state is asking that you be sentenced anywhere from 180 days up to 1 year in the state jail facility? Do you understand?
Yes.
Do you understand that they're asking that your fine be assessed at $1,500? Do you understand that they don't want you to have probation? They want you sentenced to time at the state jail facility. Do you understand? Do you understand that to be your plea?
That they want, yes.
Defense is at the plea?
It is the plea.
State is at the plea.
That tension you just felt, that's real. The defendant hesitated, and the judge shut it down immediately. Why? Because this is not negotiation time. This is record time. One unclear answer can unravel the plea, delay sentencing, or force a trial. The courtroom isn't being harsh. It's being precise.
State is at the plea?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you review the waiver of appeal paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in both places? By signing that you're waiving your right to appeal, the only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand? Counsel, have there been any such motions?
There have not.
Then how do you plea? Okay, why is everybody whispering today? I need everybody to speak up. All right, state, any evidence?
State offer states one in attachment.
No objection.
Did you review the waiver and stipulations with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, ma'am.
Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call in the right to remain silent? Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports, but most importantly, there will be no live testimony? Did you understand? Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence states exhibits 1 and attachments. Court has reviewed the same. The court will find there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty, and the court will find you guilty. Counsel, if you would like this set for a PSI, then it'll be 8 to 12 weeks.
That's.
All right. I need a PSI date.
Almost a bunch of very public.
All right, I'll get, Vashon, what date for a PSI? Oh, just give me a date that you would like and we'll make it happen.
I have February 5th, Judge.
All right, we'll be back on February 5th.
Very good. Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, thank you.